Good morning, student. How are you today? I hope you fit are today. Before we enter the learning material, it is better for us to pray before starting the lesson. Okay, thank you. Okay, I am going to take attendance for you is absent today. Let's class we studied about simple past tense. Today we are going to discuss respiratory system. Do you know what the respiratory system is? The human respiratory system is a group of the organs involved in the process of exchanging oxygen and carbon dioxide in the blood. The human respiratory system is a complex network of the organ and tissue and the facilities breathing. It encompasses the airway, lungs, and blood vessels. The muscles responsible for moving the lungs are also integral parts of the respiratory system. Thus, the components collaborate to transport oxygen throughout the body and expel waste the gas such as carbon dioxide. Our body cells depend on oxygen for survival, and one of the byproduct the produce is carbon dioxide. The respiratory system extracts oxygen from the air we inhale and expels unwanted carbon dioxide. Now, let's dive deeper into the organ of the human respiratory system. Part of the human respiratory system. Number one is nose. The nose serves as the entry point for air into the respiratory system. It filters, cleans, and moistens the incoming air. Fine hair cells in the nose assist in the capturing dust, particles, and the microorganisms, preventing them from the harming in the respiratory peaks with the help of mucus. Firing. The throat of the firing acts as the passage for both air and food. It serves as the meeting point between the respiratory and digestive system, directing air to the respiratory space and food to the digestive tract. Layering. The layering is the vital part of the respiratory system, housing vocal cords, known as the laryngeal. Its function is to produce sound the throat. The function is to produce sound the throat of the vibration of vocal cords as air passes strong. Additionally, the larynx acts as an airflow, preventing food and the liquid from entering the respiratory space. Trachea. This is a way connecting the larynx to the bronchi which enter the lungs. The trachea is reinforced with the cartilage ring to support its structure during inspiration, ensuring the airway remains open for the smooth airflow. Bronchi. Bronchi are the branches of the trachea that enter the lungs. Thus, airway further divide into smaller bronchioles. Both the bronchi and the bronchioles carry air into the lungs and are equipped with the fine hair and mucus to cleanse the air of the foreign particle. Lungs, the primary organ responsible for gas exhaust in the respiratory system, are the lungs. Inside the lungs, oxygen from the air is taken up by the blood, and carbon dioxide produced by the body is expelled into the air when we exhale. Alveolus. Alveolus are the thin cysts within the lungs where the exchange of oxygen and carbon dioxide occurs. The thin wall of alveolus, coated with the capillaries, enable oxygen to enter the blood and carbon dioxide to exit into the air. These are the respiratory organ and the vocation. Next, the vocation of the respiratory system. Vocationing of the respiratory system and breathing process. Inhalation, inspiration, when are present breathing in the nerve impulse in the brain cause respiratory muscle, such as the diaphragm and the intrusion muscle, to contract. This contraction increases the volume of the chest cavity, leading to decreases in the air pressure within the lungs. As a result, air flow into the lungs strong, the noise or moan, allowing oxygen to enter the respiratory system. Number 2. Oxygen transport. Oxygen that enters the lungs is carried by the blood through the pulmonary blood vessels, ultimately reaching the heart pumps oxygenated blood through the body via the circulatory system. Number 3. Gas exchange in the alveoli. In the lungs, oxygen transport by the blood enter the alveolus, the small sacs lining the lung wall. At the alveolus walls, gas exchange occurs between the oxygen in the alveolus and the blood in the capillary. Oxygen diffuses into the blood, while carbon dioxide, a byproduct of the cell metabolism, diffuses out the blood into the alveolus. Expiration. After oxygen is absorbed by the blood, carbon dioxide carried by the blood returns to the lungs. Never influx from the brain causes respiratory muscle to relax, reducing the volume of the chest cavity and increasing pressure within the lungs. The process forces carbon dioxide out the lungs and the throat, the nose or the mouth, allowing it to be expelled during exhalation. Carbon dioxide transport. Carbon dioxide leaving the lung is transported by the blood back to heart. Blood containing carbon dioxide is pumped by the heart back to lungs, where carbon dioxide can be released through the gas exchange process in the alveolus when we exhale. This increasing dense breathing keeps us alive, sustaining the delicate balance of oxygen and carbon dioxide in our body. Understanding the marvel the respiratory system exchange or the appreciation for the integral machinery the power adds breath. Respiratory system disease in the elementary school. Number 1, cold and flu. 2, asthma. 3, the pneumonia. Healthy lifestyle habit. Avoiding air pollution. Exercising the regular exercise to maintain lung healthy. Implementing sufficient sleep patterns. These are the respiratory organs, and there are functions in our body. I hope everyone can understand the respiratory material that I have provided, and I hope everyone can maintain healthy respiratory organ. That's all, and thank you.